Welcome to your daily alignment healing session with Christy. So, what I'm looking at when I'm tuning into the collective, I'm picking up, we need to do a cellular repair. A cellular repair that is acquired in this lifetime as opposed to being, passed down through our genetics. And it is more specifically about the thymus gland, which is here. And it's about like heart protection and our defensive patterns and energy production, that kind of thing. And so we're doing a cellular repair regarding our defensive patterns. It's almost like the thymus is like, back off, back off, back off. And it's like punching out anything that's like any person, anything that's coming at them. And it, at the same time, it's very protective, but it's not necessarily allowing like what we want to come in. And as I'm like doing this, it's just like, there's this block, like we can't feel it. So even if somebody's trying to help you, you're not going to feel it. It's not coming in because we're still, blocking everything. So we're not allowing because we're blocking, we're protecting ourselves. It's like that feeling I've been hurt too many times before. I'm not going to let anybody else in or get near me. And we want this to communicate with how we process information. Information comes in, goes up gallbladder, liver, meridian. Got it. We send it back down through the diaphragm, and then we eliminate it through the intestines. So we want those to be working better instead of getting stuck and we're in the defensive mode. We want it to be like do, and now we're going to let it go. All right, so I'm finishing up the tap-in. I played with this for a little bit, made sure that was balanced for everybody, and it's opening up the thymus. It's allowing what we want, what we desire to come through without the protection, without that belief of like, somebody's always out to get me. We're allowing ourselves to fully receive the people, the things, the thoughts, the emotions, all that within at this new healed cellular level. And now we're going to play with access consciousness a little bit, like what else is possible here? How does it get any better than this? What else, what other goodness can come into my life? Like just kind of like asking questions of the universe to allow the space to be open up to good things to come to you, for you to receive good things, for you to be in that feeling of yummy goodness. The next thing that's coming through is this like ho-hum, like this heavy, like stomping through life. And it makes sense. It's the time of year. It's, autumn, and the leaves are falling off the trees and things are, they're dying away for the stillness of winter. And so there's this heavy feeling of just like trudging through life at the moment. So we're going to past life memories, patterns. And, 100 years ago, even in some parts of the world still, but 200 years ago, this was followed, like this was like a very active time. You had to make sure your harvest was in, and you had the meats, and you had the all the supplies, the salts and the fats and everything to make it through winter. And we don't have that anymore. We don't need it, right? We just hit that little Amazon button, whatever we want, it will show up at our door. And so there's almost this this feeling of like this past life, of this memory of all the things that we would be doing right now to get ready for the winter. And we're at this point now where it's not a thing anymore. And it's almost like our, like in our bones, we don't know what to do. So we don't know we're not in this engaged or vital moment because we don't need that energy that we needed, 100, 200, 300 years ago. But what I'm picking up is more of a, like, we need to get ourselves into a vital state, mind, body, spirit, to go into the winter months. Every place is different. And some people may experience weather that's nice all the time, and others may go deep into winter. And and it's often a time that you may get sick and colds and flus and that kind of thing. And so we want to make sure that we're in a healthy state of mind, a healthy state of heart, and a healthy state of body, healthy state of emotion. And that's what we're just doing here, is we're adjusting it from the hunting and gathering that time to a period of, mind, body health. And that's what we're going to, make sure is in sync at the moment. So I'm allowing the earth underneath my feet to recalibrate the consciousness of the collective here, and filling us with that vital energy that she holds within her to allow us to maintain our health. And so it is. Take a deep breath in, hold it, release when you're ready. And we are complete. All right, I'm Christy. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another daily alignment healing session.